Wir machen jetzt heute die erste Bergexpedition meines Lebens und wir übernachten in der Wildnis. Und ich freue mich auf alles, was kommt, oder? Jetzt wird es lässig. Jetzt geht es da den Stoss rauf.
Welcome back to another video. It's been quiet a long time on this channel, but today we're back in the mountains, the Swiss Alps. I got my friend with me today. It's his first time doing something like this. We're planning to hike up to a mountain where I've been before, and we have our tents and, well, one tent for both of us, our sleeping bags, and the weather's changing from time to time, but in general it's perfect for something like this. And now we're starting our hike. Okay, we're 20 minutes in, and down there you can see a pretty famous, I would say, hut which is called Staffel. And from here you can do some amazing hikes, mainly in summer, but you can do a hike from here to Engelberg, which is behind that mountain right there. I think Engelberg is probably the town which most of you would know. So yeah, we got a bit ahead of us, and with our snowshoes it's pretty annoying because we're walking right at a slope right now and we're always slipping. Well, actually we're sinking in much more than we would like to with the snowshoes, but it's fine. I think it's better than without any. So okay, so we're more than halfway there, and this is where we came from. From down there, there's also a small lake, and the sun is just disappearing behind the horizon there. So it's still pretty warm. It's actually very warm for this time of the year. But that's good for when we're in our sleeping bags later on. And now we have this steep part ahead of us, which is maybe about 300 meters. And then from there it's flat again for the last ascent to the top. Tim, how is it so far?
Difficult. It's not easy peasy lemon squeezy. It's difficult, lemon difficult for me. But I like it. Lovely weather, great conditions. Got some skiers up there as well. So really a jolly old walk that we're enjoying together, two of us. Look, jetzt gaan we die daar op.
Okay, so now we're taking off our snowshoes because we're off the snow, at least for the moment, and we're continuing to the saddle. And I hope there's no snow up there, because then we're much quicker up there, and it's also not that comfortable with snowshoes, to be honest. We're 2 hours in and we have like 20 minutes to the top, so we should make it before the sun is gone.
So, jetzt ist mir wieder back to the roots. zu den Feet.
Okay, we're on the saddle and now we're almost up there. We have like maybe 20 minutes or something and the sun is also almost gone. Maybe we'll make it up to the top before the sun is completely down.
Gut. Nice. Schön da oben jetzt. Kann noch die Sonne mitnehmen. Ja, wir haben es geschafft. Jetzt haben wir es geschafft, gerade vor Sonnenaufgang. Über der Wolke.
Sehr schön. We made it just before sunset. Sun is going down at this exact moment and we're up. Back there you can see I don't know what is it called, like Midland in I don't know the name in English, but the flat part of Switzerland, and there's super thick clouds down there in the valley. We're gonna set up our camp for the night. We have our tent. There's a more or less flat part right here. We're gonna set up the tent, shovel some snow, and maybe build even a small wall for shelter against the wind. And then it's time for some food. Finally, I'm super hungry. Hey Ron, wie ist die Experience?
Ja, also
How is the experience?
Der Teil, da könnt ihr jetzt auch irgendwie drauf verzichten.
So now we got our frame for the shelter, and Tim is walking around in the snow because the snow is pretty cold, which means that it doesn't bind that well. We tried compressing it with the snowshoes, and we hope that like this we get a flat surface where we can put up our tent. By the way, it's 5 o'clock in the afternoon and the sun is gone and it's getting dark pretty quickly. Awesome. Jawohl, so.
Willst du die Pferde spannen oder nicht? Also cool. Erstmal Eis ummachen. Dann zieh's drum. Da ist tipptopp.
Das war schon ein bisschen Overkill-Stil. Da, Chef Tim. Winterprofi Tim.
Ja. Genau. Genau, das war es. Es fühlt sich an wie auf dem Mount Everest. Okay, so it was actually a quiet night. We slept for like 11 hours, I think, apart from like 1 hour at 12 o'clock or 1 o'clock in the morning, where we had really gusty winds, and I felt like there was some sort of animal next to our tent, but Dominic just laughed at us and said it's not true, it's just the wind, and then I fell asleep again. Good experience, I would say 9 out of 10.
Okay, first things first. Heating up snow, melting snow for drinking water, because we ran out of water last night.
Where's the lighter?
And we're super thirsty.
Give me the lighter, please.
The lighter is right here. Here you go.
Good. Now we wait.
It's not the best water when it comes to taste, but
what you see,
but it's water at least.
What you see is an expert in outdoor survival. I have faced many challenges over the years. This one here being one of the toughest. But we mastered it gracefully. And we are ready for our descent.
Here we are again.
Hallo, wir würden gerne um 1:30 runterfahren. Danke vielmals, merci. Gut. Geregelt. Teilin schneidet dann.